I feel like I'm in my own movie or show, but I'm not trying to be egotistical, but it's just because these sick adventures. So once you start doing these too, I'm sure you'll feel the same. The discovery of my first movie was not when I went to Hollywood or went on a week vacation, but when I went biking around where I lived for the first time. And during this time, it actually felt like my first ever game that I got 8 years ago was Pokemon Leaf Green, and I fell in love with that game. I played it any chance I got. But one of my favorite parts about it was biking. Just going so fast, seeing all the cool places, Pokemon, things that were there. The places that I usually drove around or where my bus went, I was zooming past with my bike. But I'm sure some of the cars that I zoomed by on the stoplight, they might have thought I was a little crazy. Biking at 7 p.m., the sun's about to set on this weird bike, but I didn't care. I was having so much fun. So after I had one of the greatest nights home from school, I started seeking more of those adventures, things that other people would think I'm crazy for doing, but I find so much joy in doing. Right now, when I'm outside in the rain, this umbrella actually says, "Live your adventure." I know it's not focused on me, but it says live your adventure. That had to be a sign that I had to do this. You know, when it rains, everyone goes inside, but I just want to be outside, look at all the trees and rain just destroy all the grass and asphalt. It would be so cool for me to do, and I'm trying to do it right now. A mindset that I've been having to get these cool adventures is for stories. So think of cool stories that I could tell. What would be cool for me to do? Then do it. Get that own personal experience and story. It'll motivate me to get up in the morning, get out there, and get some cool story. Write it down in my journal, and I have tens and hundreds of stories that I can tell to you, to my mom, anyone that I see. The way I've been doing this is by getting daily experiences, saying yes to more things, challenging myself to make the most out of every day, especially because it's summer right now. I'm trying to make every single day count. One time during a school game, I had a sports game for lacrosse. But it wasn't your average game. I didn't score. I didn't make a great play. It felt like it was an adventure. It was hailing, windy, rainy, freezing cold almost. The scoreboard turned off from how much chaos was going on, but we still kept on playing. We still played. And I'm so glad we did, because we ended up winning. But more than that, I won this cool story, this adventure in my life that I'm so glad which happened. As we finished, the girls had to play lacrosse too, and they were just freaking out about the cold, the rain. It was so funny. But if you think it would be cool to get stories like that and to have something to wake up for, I created this thing called the 7-Day Challenge, and if you want it for free, click that link in the description. It's the Like-Minded Club. Tens of other people are in there to hold you accountable as well. But a super cool way to document these amazing things you've been doing with stories, life experiences, is to have a YouTube channel. Like I'm doing, talking to you right now. If you would be interested in something like this, click that Calendly link in the description, book a quick call with me, and I'll see if I can help you to get to 1,000 subs and 10,000 subs. So if that sounds cool, click that Calendly link in the description. Find some cool things that you can say yes to instead of rejecting a lot of things. Saying no when someone asks you to go out, saying no to your own brain when you think of a cool idea you can do. Those crazy cool thoughts, listen to them. Turn off your brain, talk to some people, get out there, get your confidence going, sign up for some sports team, have a blast. There's endless things you can do. All you have to do is have that ambition, optimism. That will make you so excited for the next day and the rest of today. So I hope you can take action on this right now. Comment one thing that you're gonna do after this video so I know you'll take action right away. Join that Like-Minded Club, click that Calendly link in the description if you're interested. My name's Timothy, I'm 16, I just love sharing things I'm doing in life. Subscribe because it's free. You'll get more cool places like this where I talk to you. I hope you can take action right away. Don't forget about this video, and I'll see you later, man. Peace. Look, it's a gun. It's a gun. It's like a shield. You're safe. Alright, man. I'm gonna go. Take care. See you soon.